I'm saying? I'm trying to be like me. And that's the reason why they hate me, because I'm not assimilated to the group and the collective, you know what I'm saying? Data in their databanks, you know what I'm saying? It's like, you know, okay, where's originality at, you know what I'm saying? And this is what I'm talking about, really at all, you know, because the simple fact is that that's just not me, you know, where am I at in that, you know what I'm saying?